Hello everybody, today I'm going to be reviewing the new L'Oreal Paris Panaroma Mascara. I got it in the blackest black color. I love black mascara. Here is the wand. As you can see, it kind of tapers a bit from the top all the way to the bottom, which is very subtle. And I'm going to go ahead and put on the first coat. As you can see, I love the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. It's one of my favorites. And so when I saw this one came out, I wanted to try it. So here it is. We have only one coat. So what I look for in a mascara is for volume. I don't really care too much for length. I just like the volume. And so that's really what I'm looking for. And I typically apply 3 coats. And so we're going to see how many coats I add to this one. But so far, so good. There's no smearing. It doesn't transfer to my lid. I'm able to apply it very well. And so far, so good. Here we are with our third coat, applying it. And again, I think by this point, some of my other mascaras, I usually get a lot more volume. And so I think if anything, that's my pushback with this one, that I feel like I need to add a lot more volume now, or a lot more coats to get the volume that I want. Now, initially, mascaras tend to be a little watery at first, and it's not until they really develop a little bit of like, not gunk, but just get a little thicker is when you can get a lot more volume. But here it is. I've had to, as you guys can see, apply 4 coats, and usually I just have to apply 3, and so this one I had to apply 4. Here I'm applying it to my lower lash. It did wash off very well. It did wash off nicely, and so here is the before and the after. I think it's pretty decent. I guess I'll have to try it a lot more, but for me, I would give this mascara, first impression, I would do 7 out of 10, maybe 7.5. So it wasn't bad, but I would have loved to get a lot more volume faster. Hello friends, thank you so much for checking my videos out. It really does mean the world to me that you guys take the time to watch them. I put a lot of time and effort, and I have so much fun with them, and so it means a lot that you guys are actually taking the time to watch them. Just wanted to share a few things with you all. It won't take long at all, I promise. Number 1, I accept prayer requests. If there's anything that you are going through, anything that you would like for me to pray over, just go ahead and contact me. My email is below. You can also contact me through social media, even through the comments section here in this video, and I will go ahead and add you to a prayer list that I pray over. And I would love to have a conversation with you and even share what my faith is about and why I pray and all that good stuff. So just go ahead and contact me if that is something that you would like to do. Number 2, if you are on social media, you should totally be following me because I share a lot more content there. I do videos here and I post them and I have fun, but over there, especially on social media, on Instagram, I share a lot more of like my family, my life, things that I do on the everyday basis, especially in the Instagram stories. So go ahead and follow me. There will be a link to my Instagram handler below, so you can click on it and it'll take you right to there. And number 3 is, if you're not part of this family, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, whether it's makeup, a recipe, a Bible study, etc. Just go ahead and join us. We have so much fun here. Like I said, I have fun filming these videos, and I would love for you guys to join our fam. All right, guys, that's about it. Thank you so much. Love you all.